all, I am Mutia Fala, 21 monthly 42,313. I completed the final semester exam with the Risk and Natural Disaster Management course. Namely, making a resume, the article followed in the video form. With the title of the article, a process before and next-oriented framework for review of technology contribution to disaster management. A disaster is defined as event that occurs over a short or long period of time, affecting the everyday community of social and will inhabitants on people. The environment will be worse than the economy, hazard, urbanity, and social poverty. The disaster initial the available resources are often dissolved. Disaster are broadening. Categories are natural or might based on the original. There are evidence of disaster management frameworks and provided duress profession in literature to deal with disaster situation. The modern disaster management DTSR, the most commonly and window as frameworks with sister on fact, the max, behavior and mediation, preparedness, responsive dan reservity. This setting present the review further of technology-oriented solution provides to address assessment the various aspects of disaster management claims. The review of present in the core technology order to highlight the shift of technology over the years. Number one, the prefix and management in the year which is proven the ask for this basic logistics regression for like supply map for direct data types interlink remote sensing thematic maps, topology maps, and geology maps were asset for the investigation performs on regression model basic mapping with mixed async roaming squid error and classification. I currently the process logistic expansion model Rex and later in the same year. Number one, preparedness can act protection and clustering basic heavy analytics model async linear registration and everything neural network fall in the thing doctrines differentiating makes detection out two-dimensional all on integral overload for model was for detaining and testel of regression model. T responsive post index investigate the in the on post deformix giving information and unevident software to verify the activities with disaster response and resolvability phase. A said study once taken where GVE was used for backflow rapid damage estimation and evidence confidence ratio to the conventional heating modeling basis estimation in 2011. For the recovery, Host et al. Expression the as of satellite images for XUC recovery monitoring. Satellite images were visual, intellect, and validation result from survey to demonstrate the effectiveness of satellite image in assessing the reporting. In both years, investigates the report ECT in for actual education delivery. The experiment on online learning and the technology was healing the resting education after a disaster event. Experience of disaster management in a first aid number of calendar and a set of basic requirements event with specific needs and problems for a profession selected the back events in my minimalist exercise requirement Noverham for this literature proper requirement formulation is for lacking however more conference and assessment like that. Constructors are recommended to be defined depending on the types on disaster and pace of the disaster management plans. Listed are the proportion constraints. 1. Responsive and finesse. 2. Actuality. 3. The generation. 4. Cost and efforts implementation. 5. User-friendliness. A review of Beckman's study was presented as an improvement process-driven and next-orientation framework to highlight the technology trend is disaster management. The proposed framework help its better classification of literature and filling potential racial gaps. Wakefield Learning, ITECT, Robotics, Big Data, Virtual Reality, Augmented Reality, Social Media, and Computer Vision were reposed and the intelligence technology developed to address disaster management assessment. Disaster hazard zone mapping like eye classification, disaster forecasting, water level measurement, disaster damage assessment, and reconstruction monitoring were the reported assessment where most technology solutions were reposed. 8. List of disaster reaction constraints were formulated to elicit the solution against the disaster management requirement. Accuracy was portrayed as the most fulfilling disaster requirement in literature while restoration, generation, cost, and hard-first implementation and are severe in the listening. We rarely discernment. Proper requirement formalism related to address disaster management assessment for activity outcome was for consistently lacking. Overall, the availability on comprehensive Bahama data was for missing and most of to the student fear format for allocated finally. The scope of computer vision in facility disaster management letters assessment was explored and policy collection were likely as for the recent distractor. Let's add cover qualification, water level experiment, disaster mapping, disaster damage assessment, disaster debris management, and disaster retention monitoring, where report and hability assessment, where computer vision and politically be as in the water. This is the end of my presentation. Make like of